Hi everyone. Hope you are doing good today. Okay. So today I'm going to install Kali Linux. This is basically Linux distribution which is used for ethical hacking, ethical cracking, threat analysis, all kind of things. So let's see. For that you can go on this website kali.org. So basically, we can just little bit will read it about. So the most advanced penetration testing distribution. So Kali Linux is an open source Debian-based Linux distribution geared towards various information security tasks such as penetration testing, security research, computer forensics, and reverse engineering. So this Debian-based Linux distribution is having lot many tools that are used for these purposes like penetration testing, security analysis, computer forensic, and reverse engineering, and a few other things. Okay, so this is how the interface looks. We'll install and we see ourselves. So these are some tools. Find out a Kali tools. So see, you can see these are the different tools that are there in Kali Linux. List all tools. If you say this will increase, this is around. It will be in, I think, hundreds, not in thousand, like in thousand maybe, or at least in hundreds. Okay, so these tools has different purposes and different options, and you can use, for example, RSCR crack, the Aircrack. So this is program used to brute force algorithm to give access. So like this is the website, all tools, kali.org tools, tools hyphen sorry, not hyphen, slash all tools. You can go there, and if you want to understand or read about any tool, you can do that. Okay, you can read here, everything is given, all the command line side. I'll take few more example. Net tools, net base, uh hacking, hacking Wi-Fi. Okay, Wi-Fi. Okay, so there are many tools for this Wi-Fi count. So let's see. Okay, so wait. Quick question, submit a new tool. Okay, you can also submit a tool if you want. So for this, if you want to download it, just click here. You have these many options to download it. So basically, installer image, single multiple boot Kali, giving you complete control over. So basically, this will be an ISO file. You can write it to a USB drive and then boot it from there. A virtual machine image. This is a virtual machine image where you don't have to install it into a VM or something. You can just add or open in a virtual machine and it will start running. So likewise, these are the different distributions for different platforms. Okay, so I had downloaded this one. Okay, so these are three things. So this is installer, weekly net installer, and everything. So basically, I had downloaded this one, everything, which contains which is around 12 GB of space, that ISO, and it contains almost every tools that comes by default with Kali Linux. If you want smaller version, you can choose this one. Either you can install it using torrent, or sorry, you can download it using torrent, or you can download directly through any download manager. So I had already downloaded this. Okay, so depending upon the net speed, it will take some time. Okay. Okay, so these are the filling red, filling blue, Kali purple. You do you. A movement to make enterprise grade security accessible to everyone. Okay, so you can read these. Okay, so I'll start installation now. So let's start VM. Okay, I'll start VM now. Okay, I had already installed it. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll remove it for now and start the installation again. Okay, so file, new virtual machine, next. You have to choose the ISO. So here I have the ISO. You can see this is around 12 GB of space, taking 12 GB of space. Now open, next. Linux, you can choose anyone, Ubuntu or 64 Ubuntu or anything, or Debian or something you can choose because this is Debian based. But I'm choosing this Linux 6 kernel. So you can choose either Ubuntu or Debian based or other Linux, this one. Okay, next. Okay, I'll rename it Kali OS. Okay, great. Next. I'll give it 40, 50 GB for now. I'll give 60 GB because it has everything. One I can give 75 GB. So if you are installing directly on your system, it will take the disk space accordingly. So I am creating it into VM, so I'm giving this much. Okay. So since this is a bigger distribution, like 12 GB, so it will have a lot of tools and it will take like significant amount of disk, and so there should be some like extra disk space. So I'm giving that one. So customize hardware. I'll make the RAM to 16 GB, processor to 6, processor to 4 core I'll give. So you can give as many as you want, or less or more, depend upon your system. Network, I'll give bridged. Okay, next. Okay, close, finish. Okay, so basically the creation of virtual machine is finished. Now I'll start it and installation should start now. So we'll see. So we have different options while installing Kali. So see, you have, I'll make it full screen so that it will be better for viewing. So if you can see, okay. So here there are two options: graphical install and install. So install will be a text based, like terminal based. Graphical will be GUI. So I'll use this one now. Okay. So English language, location. I'll choose India. Continue. American English. It's okay. Detecting hardware. Okay. So now currently you can see the what's going on behind. So configuring network, currently it's configuring the network. So because it will be downloading something or like updating the repository from. If you don't have network, that's also fine. It will not be an issue. So this is the host name. I can give OS. Okay, domain name. I will keep leave it side. Okay. So if it is if your network is a part of any demo domain, you can specify the domain name. I'll specify now my name here. Okay, so this is my name. This is the username. This is the password we are using. And this is the password. Okay, you can give whatever password you don't like. Okay. So now it's you have four options: guided partition, use entire disk; guided use entire disk and set up LVM; guided use entire disk and set up encrypted LVM. So this will be encrypted. Manual you can do it like yourself. So as for simplicity, I'll use this one. Use entire disk. I can use this one also because this will have an option to expand the partition whenever it's required. So logical volume. Okay. So I'll keep it as such. Next. Next. Okay, all on. So these are different options, all on one partition. So for simplicity, I'll keep it this one. If you have, if you are working in production or if you want better disk layout, you can choose any one of these. Okay, separate home, this one like this, separate. So, but I'll keep it like this. Okay. Okay, so this you can see, you can understand from these options. So you can choose accordingly, according to your need. Okay, finish, continue. Yes, I want to partition. Yeah. So currently it's installing the base system. Let's wait for it to complete. We'll see now. Hmm. So in between, I'll keep pausing the video just to save your time. Okay. So this step should not take much time, so I'll leave it as such and not stop here. So once the main software's installation, application installation will start, it will take more time. Okay, so here you can select which desktop environment you want. So by default, it has selected the XFCE. So if you want this one, you can keep it as such. So I use generally Xenom. So I'm choosing this. KKD Plasma is also very good desktop option. So you can choose this, and here I'm see what you can do. Default recommended tools available in the live server, large default selection of plus additional tools, and everything. So everything will contain all the tools that are available in this package. Okay, so I am choosing this just to show you the exhaustive list of the tools available. Okay, so I'll do continue. Okay, so it has started installing it. So I'll pause this video now, and once this window is completed, I'll start it again, resume it again. Yeah, so this is being done. I'll pause the video. Meanwhile, you can always subscribe, like, and comment on the channel, which if you find it better. If you don't find better, please comment how it can be improved. If you want anything else to be installed and demoed, you can write in comment if you want any other software to be installed and demonstrated. So I'm pausing the video for now because. It will just waste your time. So I'll come back once this is finished. Okay. So basically, okay. Okay. So instead of pausing, I'll let it keep running so that you will understand, like see what all happening on this. Okay. So yeah, you always have an option to skip the video if you think it's lengthy. So if you come here, you can skip to the different dialog box. Okay, so I'll wait here. Let this go on. So meanwhile, this is installing. I'll go back to its website. Okay, okay. So I'll do one thing. I'll show you OS like KLI. I'll see what other OS options are available. Operation like Kali. What are the options? Best option is this one. What I'll do, hacking tutorials. Okay, top 10 alternative of Kali Linux. This is a good website actually. Okay, so SCLK networks. So live distribution based on Debian that is intended for network security management. It offers whole Black Arc, Black Arch, Cane, Parrot, whatever. So Samurai, Exodia, Arc Strike, Tails. So these are other options for Kali Linux, but I find it one of the best distribution, Kali. So these are different, you can see. Okay. So depends, you can evaluate all. I'll try to install and demonstrate all of these security related OS distributions, and you can decide like which one is better for you. So let's go back to our VM and see what's happening. Okay, so it's installing still. Okay, so I'll pause the video for now. I'll resume it again. Okay, so the installation of the softwares has application has been completed. It took around 15 minutes. Okay, around 15 minutes. So maybe if you are installing directly on your system, it may take some less time. So now it's asking me to install Grub loader since I don't have any other operating system. It's just in VM, so I'll continue with yes. Okay, enter KSDA. Fine. So it's installing the Grub bootloader. Okay. So you can read about bootloaders if you want to understand more. Okay. So it's basically now finishing the installation, cleaning up things in the background, and it will just complete. And then after that we can reboot it, and I will see like how it looks, how it feels, what options are there, what tools are there. We'll figure out all those things. So currently finish. I'll do continue, finish installation, unmounting and rebooting. Okay. So basically now it's restarting the operating system. Okay, great. So you can explore this one if you want later. But for now, I'm start go with this. Okay. Okay. So this looks great. This is the login screen. Okay, and since I have only one desktop, so there is no option to switch desktop. I'll try to log in now. Great. Wow, this looks great. Okay, so first I'll go from here. So this is like a desktop. What you see, workspace manager. So this is one desktop. This is two desktop. So this is kind of dynamic. You can make it static, 4, 3, 4, how many you want. So different things on different desktops. This is all there in all Genome. And our Linux distribution. Okay, nowadays in Windows also. So apps, these are the different apps. So these are the categories for apps, information gathering. These are the tools. Okay, I'll start one just for example. And map, you can always use this. Help. Okay, so you can see. So these are the different options of this command. So Nmap. Okay, I'll close this. Network manage related networks. App. I'll do one thing and make it bigger. Okay, display setting. Let's make it bigger a bit so that you can 200% apply. Keep the changes. Hope it's now better. Better. I can make it 100% also. So okay, fine. 300 will be very large, so it won't look good. Okay. I think it's hanged. Okay, fine. Close. Okay. So apps, information gathering, vulnerability analysis, web application analysis, HT track, something. So these are tools you will have to go through each of these because these tools are software in itself. So there will be a lot of options. So each tools you will have to read about it. So that the type of analysis you want to do or the type of attack you want to do, you have to use the tools accordingly. Okay. So web application, database assessment, so finding out database vulnerability or database related things, password attacks. So basically, these are the tools which you can use to crack or crack the passwords. Wireless attacks. This is for wireless hacking. Okay, wireless hacking. Where is this? Okay, wireless hacking, reverse engineering. Okay, so a software is there. You can just try to go into it by seeing the source code, exploitation tool, exploit softwares vulnerability. If there is any vulnerability in any software, you can exploit using these tools. Sniffing, spoofing, post exploration, So what you can do after exploitation, forensics, reporting tool, social engineering tool, system services. These are the system services. Kali and offsec links. Okay, and use usual applications. So these are the default application that comes with almost all the Linux distribution. Okay, you can see graphics, internet, office, other and etc. Okay, so like this. So these are different applications available, places, areas, home, documents, download. So these are the things. This is just like any other the Linux distribution. Okay. Once we come here, this is like tool where you can see the things in live swap. So 3% CPU used, 12% RAM is used. So in the beginning of software, it's good uses. CPU is very less used, 12 GB, a bit higher, but maybe some in background processes are running, so 12%. Internet speed swap uses 0%. Internet, this is internet upload and download speed. Okay, so this is one option. This one is like similar. Okay, open system monitor. Okay, so this is the whole system monitor. So we have, as you can see, we have given 4 CPUs, 16 GB RAM, network, and disk. All this, and these are the different processes that are running. So I think you can, by default, you can round basically around 350 processes is running currently. You can use this command and okay. So here where this is network related in power mode, night light, dark style, you can enable it for light style. Okay, okay, you can see something changing. Okay, dark mode, and this is settings. These are similar to any other Linux distribution, Debian-based. So Bluetooth, display, sound, power, multitasking, appearance. So these are basically system settings. You can change different system settings from here. You can either go from here, system setting, or you can select from here, settings. You can do settings. This will give the same thing. Okay. So, okay, this is over, and this is shutdown button. If you click, these things will come. Log out, restart, suspend, and all. This is lock. This is this. If you want to take screenshots, this is the tool. That's good. And so this is the like launch file, you can say. So terminal is there. Files. What is on this? These are different files. Your documents will come here like this. Okay, then you have a Firefox browser, a text editor. Okay, text editor, a Wireshark. This is used to tag into any network and then um, listen the traffic. Ethernet one. Let's see if anything comes or not. Okay, no. Maybe we have to check which adapter it has to. File, import. See, I'm not working much on this, so what? Uh, wireless, Bluetooth. Okay. Something is coming. Okay. Dropbox, something. Okay. Something is coming. Okay. Finding, applying, loopback. I think this should be the one because, okay. Wi-Fi, remote capture. No. This one is fine. Any better select any. Okay. Okay. If suppose it will change, you'll see. You see, once opening this one, you can see how things changing here. See, all the network related informations are coming here. You can see, right? You can do Google related. Okay, so Google says. So since you will use it, this will change. Okay, you can see. So this is just for monitoring data. You can packet sniffing here. You can do what's going on. So if you can attach this to any other adapter, you can like sniff or you can see what's going on. Stop. Okay. So I'll stop it now. This is Burp suit. I'm not sure what this is actually. You can read about this cherry tree. This is I think note taking. Okay. This is for note taking. Okay. Bob Community Suite. Welcome to the Bob Community Suite edition. Use the option below to create open projects. Something related to projects, you can explore it. Okay. Okay. So this is for note taking. You can. This is a good note taking tool. It will be an node. Okay. So see here you can write something. Then you can create add node. Okay. So this you can make it add some node. Okay, like this you can go. So basically you can take notes here, and this is a good note taking. Okay, discard. Then we can go to the application basically. So there are different application available. Okay, so around 300 applications are there. If you can see, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 16, 24. 24 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 into 24. So 18 into 18 into 24. Around 432 applications are there. You can always install applications, new application. You can always uninstall. We should have a software center. It's not there. Why? There should be software center. Not sure why it's not there. Okay, let's see here. Usual application, internet. Hmm. So I think software center is missing. I'm not sure why it should be there. If it is there, I am not able to find it. But like in all other Debian or Ubuntu, there is a software center from where you can install and uninstall tools. Okay. So I'll close this. So this is all about Kali Linux. Look wise, what are things are there, and you can always use for hacking, cracking. But it should be ethical. Don't do illegal things using this. Otherwise, if you are caught, you will be penalized. So this is done now. So hope you liked it. Please like, subscribe, comment if you like the content. If you got some information from this. If you have some suggestions, please do write in the comments so that I can bring those up. If you want any software to be installed and demonstrated, please write in the comment. Do like, subscribe button. Just click the subscribe button and notification icon. It does not cost anything. It will be good for me. So thank you for watching. Have a great time ahead. I'll close this now. Power off. And since it's in VM, so I always do that. After demonstration, what I do is this. If I need it, I'll install it in a separate machine or any other VM with proper configuration. So delete from disk. So now this Kali is deleted from the disk. So thank you for watching. Have a great time ahead. Bye bye. Take care.